Livet actually began as it grew out of the Fisheye Project, which was a nonprofit. Our main goal has always been to educate kids about the marine environment, but that has now evolved and grown into sea to space, so really nature literacy as a whole. My name is Mike Irvin. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Livet. Really with Livet, what we're trying to do is we're broadcasting experts out in the field in real time, putting that back into classrooms. So we work with a lot of larger brands and groups, and we take their environmental initiatives and we create stories that we share directly into classrooms throughout Canada. So we're located right now in the Souk River, and it's right off of the Souk River campground. It's a beautiful little creek area that just comes up and then the river comes straight across. This is one of those key locations where the salmon are actually coming right up and in, and then they deviate up the creek a bit, and that's right next to where we were doing the broadcast from. So it was a perfect location to catch as much as we could of the natural life. And we even had a bear running across the water this morning. We had hawks and eagles all around us. It's just a stunning location. So actually what we found even in the test before we were doing the live show, we were taking the drone out and it doesn't create a lot of disturbance in the water. And because of that, the fish themselves don't seem to even be bothered by it. So we were able to get those really in tight, close shots. And that was key. So especially with salmon here, they can be very fickle, especially as there was a lot of seals that were hunting them throughout the area. So having a drone coming up in closer into them, they weren't as disturbed by that as they were by our diver. Two things that make this drone very valuable, especially to our group, is the cost. It's a low cost, especially when compared to what it would take to have a diver in the water with a camera. Not to take away from that, but still that the drone can also uniquely go directly up to a lot of marine life where a diver can't. A diver would have to have a rebreather system to prevent the bubbles. As this is gliding through the water, we haven't had any bubbles or much turbulence that even comes off of it. So a lot of the marine life, they're not even disturbed by it. You can just put the drone almost within a couple feet, not even. You can get it closer up to those beautiful shots.